This is a 2017 Tige Z1. Comes with matching trailer, collapsible tongue. It is a tandem axle trailer, red, white, and blue. Wakeboard tower with speakers, wakeboard racks. Collapsible cleats, large swim pad, backup camera, easy access from the trailer, your TAPS 3 system, ready to surf with friends and family, ski tow for tubing and water skiing, stereo remote, stepping into the bow, 4 tower speakers with Bimini wakeboard racks. Stepping up to the helm, all your gauges, subwoofer, the boat. You have 2 more speakers, cup holders, recessed, lots of space for friends, glove box. Large area in the cockpit. Captain's chair is a bolster seat. USB chargers. Heaters. This towboat is rated for 14 people. Large storage areas. Large swim platform. (2017) Tige Z1.